Let's talk about this plant you see on the screen. It's called Blue Vervain. It's common in our backyard, villages and other cities, Africa, Asia, and India, and other parts of the world. Let's see the benefit of this Blue Vervain you see on the screen. One, it is used to make tea by postnatal mothers to increase milk production. Most of our sisters, women, after giving birth, they are lack of breast milk to use to feed the child. If you have this uh, plant in your area, please look for it, wash it thoroughly, boil it 10 minutes or 15 minutes, strain it and use it for tea. And you are going to produce more milk for the new child or new baby. Another point or another benefit of this Blue Vervain you see on the screen, it helps to improve nervous system. Very, very, very good. You don't have to worry about that. All what you have to do is look for the plant, wash it, and then strain it. Use it morning, afternoon, and evening. It is also good for balancing hormones in women who experience irregular menstrual period or cycle. It is good for fibroid. It also improves health or heart health issues. It helps to improve heart health. Another point or another benefit of this plant you see on the screen called Blue Vervain is good for prostate enlargement, especially the men. This is our video. It's very, very good. It shrinks the prostate we have or that is disturbing us. So look for this plant, wash it, boil it, and strain it. Use it as your normal tea. And more importantly, it's a herb or it's a plant that helps to calm a person down. It calms you down. If you cannot sleep, if you are overwhelmed, depressed, please try to look for this plant. But if you want to use it for, like, if you cannot sleep, add ginger to it. When you add ginger, it will help you to sleep well. You will sleep like a newborn child. So if you're having difficulties in sleeping, please look for Blue Vervain, add ginger to it, boil it 10 minutes, strain it, and drink it as your normal tea. It's going to improve your health, and it also helps to boost your immune system. So try this video. If you cannot sleep, if you have prostate, please look for this plant and use it, and it's going to help you a lot. Your health and your healings are in your hands. Please, let's use the nature for our own good.